Hey everyone, today we are going to create this beautiful eye-catching infographic element on just PowerPoint. I know what you're thinking, it's hard to design, but my answer is no, because it's very easy to design, and I know you have hidden creativity in your mind, so don't worry, I'm helping you to design this element in this tutorial. And you can download this template for free, I gave the link in the description. Okay. Let's start to work. Get the oval. Now I draw medium size oval in this place. Go fill, select no fill. Change outlines color, and I select more lines. Increase the weight size, into 11. Get another oval, hold and place it middle of the first shape, and change color and outline color. Select this oval, go to Format tab, select Shape Effect, click Shadow, and choose this shadow option. Again click Shadow option, now I change transparency, size, blur, angle and distance in this place. Get the text box, and I type, Infographic. Change font style into TW, click bold, you can select any font size in here, and I change all my text into uppercase. Cool, get the duplicate copy, I type here, element, change font style into Gulim. Now looking good, okay, get this arc shape and draw shape like this. During this part, you can use Shift key to the job smoothly. I drag the shape, and resize the shape like this. So now change outline weight 3 pt, chose light color. Pick oval, remove shape color. And you can choose any pattern in here. Now I pick donut shape, I resize the shape like this, you can use this yellow dot. It's time to change colors. All these shapes are using eyedropper tool for pick color. I zoom the slide, so now you can get better look. Cool, it's very easy to design. I add my icons, and do some small designing part for my icons. It's get great look for our design. It's beautiful. I think now you like this design. Like I told you, I'm using easy steps for you. I add some small designing part in here. Okay, my dear friend, it's time to copy and paste. No need to waste your time all over again. Take look my steps. See, it's pretty cool. There is nothing to do, only change the colors. And I gave all this colors and icons with template. Okay, now time to add some shadow effect for our shape. Go to shadow, then select this. Now go to shadow option. Change values in transparency, size, blur, angle and distance. I add more shadow, select this shape, draw shape in here like this. I zoom the slide. To get closer look, you drag and place your shape like this. OK, go to more fill colors, increase transparency into 88. Cool, now you can see it's look like magic, and I hope you enjoying this designing. So I finished designing part. Now add some text boxes in our slide. Okay, if you like this tutorial you can give like and comment, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and press the subscribe button with bell icon. See you next video, bye bye.